माता जी गाना परिवेशन कर रहे थे. वरलक्ष्मी मैम, विजय राव मैम एंड पद्मा विजय मैम. वरलक्ष्मी मैम टीवी और रेडियो सिंगर है फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश. और मैडम भी ओके, ऑल थ्री फ्रॉम आंध्र प्रदेश एंड दे आर वेरी पॉपुलर radio singer, and they have done various performance with Andhra Pradesh, along with Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister also. The Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu ji recognize her. So we are proud, madam, you have spent some time, and our relation is not only for this year, last 10 to 15 years. Okay, so you just dedicated this song to our Mataji in our Mataji Pandal. Thank you so much for your precious time, and every year this relation will be continue. So we respect you.
Namaste to all. My name is Varalakshmi Narayanam, radio and TV devotional singer. I did many programs in India and abroad also. 5,000 of devotional programs I gave. This year in this Pandal, Santoshi Mata Pandal, I will get the programs 7th time or 8th time. Krishi sir and all the committee members gave full support for us. We sang here devotionals, some devotional songs here. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you to all.